Guys, we got something really special in the shop today. This is a 2003 BMW station wagon with an M5 conversion. So he bought a whole wrecked M5 and put everything into it. Some of the lights, some of the mirrors. The engine is an M5 engine. That's really, really cool. Little car. I love it. Then he brought it to us. Nobody in town would do the back end of the exhaust for him. Nobody wants to do any custom work in Nashville. For some reason, he called us and we said, bring it on in. We got you. So let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got the headers, BMW headers right there and there. Then it's got the two cats, BMW M5 cats right there, two of them. Then an X pipe right there, right under this support. Then he left the resonator on it. He didn't want it too loud, so he left the M5 resonator there. And then what we did, as you guys can see, we ran the exhaust out to the side, on each side, nice and clean out the back. So basically we did a rear muffler delete for him, put him custom tips together to make it look clean like an M5. He might change the bumper later on, I don't know, but it still wouldn't work anyways. So I had to go on one side only. So we gave him the M5 look on one side instead of duals. So there it is right there. Really nice, clean. He's been building it for about 7 months now, or maybe longer. It's a really nice car, as you guys can see there. There it is. That's what we did for it. Deleted the rear muffler and ran the pipe in its place. Nice and clean. But when I tell you it has an M5 motor in it, it definitely has an M5 motor in it. Look at that. BMW M5. And it's still dirty because he's still working on it. But it's in there. It fits. Look at that. Start it up. And it runs clean too. There it is. All right, we'll go to the back now. It's been fully repainted. Look at that. Just clean, good looking car. I love cars like this. It's really nice. All right, let me go to the back. You guys want to see the inside too? Sure. And he's saying he has some problems finding some parts. I'm going to show you in the back latch. So if any of you guys know any of these parts, or over here in black, I think he wants them in black. If anybody has them, let him know. Well, here we go. BMW hatchback with an M5 motor swap. Go ahead. That sounds really clean. That sounds really nice. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95. So it's not crazy loud, it's just clean. Because it's still got the resonator on and the cats. Go ahead and back it out. M5 station wagon. Only at exhaust addicts, guys. Then we got a sexy Trans Am just sitting in there, getting worked on too. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.